Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Home Academy. By this video we will solution a math based on algebraic expression. This is very important math for class 7, 8 and 9. Let's start. Question is subtract 4x minus 5y plus 3z from the sum of. Look, this is very important sentence. From the sum of what? 9x plus 2y minus 3z minus 10x plus y minus z and 2x plus 3y plus 7z. It means first we make a summation of three expressions, then we subtract from 4x minus 5y plus 3z. So our first work is first step, sum. What? 9x plus 2y minus 3z, then minus 10x plus y minus z, then 2x plus 3y plus 7z. What we will do? We will summation among this expression. So look, here is 9x. This x factor coefficient is 9. Here is 10, here is 2. So look, here is 9 minus 10 plus 2. So what will be the answer? Answer is 9 plus 2 means 11 minus 10. So answer will be 1. So 1 means only x. Okay, then plus. Here y factor coefficient is 2, here is 1, here is 3. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 means 6, and here is x. No, here is y. Then look, here is plus or minus, we will put later. Here is minus 3, here is minus 1 and plus 7. So minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4 and plus 7. So answer will be 3. So we can write plus 3z. So this is the summation among 9x plus 2y minus 3z dot dot dot. Now what will we do? We will do second step. We will start second step. S-T-E-P. Second step. What is? Subtract. So look, now main part. Here is 7x minus 5y plus 3z. Which expression we will write first? Suppose 5 plus 7, it means what? 12. Okay, 5 minus 7 means minus 2. Again 7 minus 5 means only 2. So for minus everything will be changed. So here is right, subtract. Look, subtract from what? From among this expression summation. So first we will write the summation. What will be the answer? Answer is x plus 6y plus 3z. Then we will write 4x minus 5y plus 3z. 4x minus 5y then plus 3z. Look, if we write 4x minus 5y plus 3z and then x plus 6y plus 3z, then you will get 0. Okay, because here is saying subtract from the summation of this. Okay, now look, we will subtract. For this reason everything will be changed. Second expression, so here is plus, it will become minus, minus become plus, and here is plus become minus. So what will be the answer? Look, x minus 4x means minus 3x. So we will write minus 3x. here is plus 5y, here is 6y, it means plus 11y, and here is 3z and here is minus 3z, so answer will be what? Nothing. You can write plus 0 minus 0, so answer only this, what? Minus 3x plus 11y. Hope you understand this one. If you understand, let me know your comments. You should share with your friends and relative. From now I try to solve lots of algebraic expression, multiplication, subtraction, lots of things day by day. Thank you so much for being with me.